Oh, hello everyone. I'm busy today. I'm trying to finish my latest piece, Don't Do What the Dodo Did. And it's taken a while because I'm trying to get behind these plants in a windscreen wiper-like swoosh, as if the plants weren't there. And of course, with mosaic, you start from the nearest thing first, unlike, say, a painting. Now, what I'm interested in with this one is trying to achieve a triad. Let's see if I can show you what I mean. A triad is where you take three colours equidistant on the colour wheel and they form a triangle. So we've got the French mustard here with the Prussian blue and finally the pink. Now, if you're not careful with the triad, the whole thing can look like a patchwork quilt. So it's really important to get the balance right, and I think limiting the palette has really helped. So it's coming out fine, and I'm pleased with it. Okay, so without further ado, let's recite the verse, Don't do what the dodo did. Don't do what the dodo did, laying an egg without a nest. Plan for the future and rise to the test, and do what is always best.